As we get older, one of the most noticeable changes in our bodies is the gradual loss of leg strength. You might find it harder to climb stairs, stand up from a low chair, or walk for long periods without needing to rest. For many older adults, this isn't just about getting tired, it's a sign that the muscles in the legs are becoming weaker. And when our legs become weak, it affects everything: our balance, our independence, and even our safety. The truth is, we don't lose leg strength because we age, we lose it because we stop using those muscles the way we used to. And just like any muscle in the body, the less we use it, the more it shrinks. But the good news is, with the right kinds of simple, safe exercises done at home, you can rebuild strength in your legs at any age. Before we get into the exercises, let's understand why this happens. Starting around age 30, we begin to lose muscle mass little by little. After 60, this process speeds up if we're not doing anything to stop it. This condition is known as sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. But sarcopenia is not a life sentence. In fact, studies show that even people in their 70s, 80s, and 90s can gain leg strength, improve mobility, and reduce their risk of falling by doing just a few consistent exercises each week. What most people don't realize is that muscle weakness is often made worse by the foods they eat. Some common everyday foods can increase inflammation, reduce muscle repair, and rob your body of the nutrients it needs to stay strong. Highly processed foods, like white bread, pastries, chips, and sugary snacks, may be convenient, but they're low in essential nutrients and often high in additives that trigger inflammation. Chronic inflammation wears down your joints and muscles over time. Too much salt is another issue. It doesn't just affect blood pressure. It can interfere with muscle function and cause the body to lose calcium, which weakens bones and affects how your muscles contract and move. Sugary beverages like sodas, sweetened teas, and energy drinks may give you a quick energy boost, but they also spike your insulin levels, increase fat storage, and block your body's ability to build and repair muscle efficiently. And perhaps most importantly, many older adults simply don't get enough high-quality protein in their diets. Without protein, your muscles can't recover from daily activity, let alone get stronger. In the next part of this video, we'll walk through a complete set of home-based leg exercises that are safe, effective, and perfect for seniors. And we'll also share the best muscle-building foods to eat every day to support stronger legs, better balance, and more energy in your daily life. Now let's talk about what you can do, right at home, to rebuild strength in your legs and keep your lower body strong and stable. These exercises are simple, low impact, and designed specifically for older adults. You won't need any fancy equipment, just a sturdy chair, a wall for support, and maybe a resistance band if you have one. But even without any tools, these movements will help wake up the muscles in your thighs, hips, calves, and glutes. Let's begin with the sit-to-stand exercise. This might sound simple, but it's one of the best movements you can do to strengthen your legs and improve balance. Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or keep them extended in front of you. Now slowly stand up without using your hands, then gently sit back down. Do this movement slowly and with control. Aim for 10 repetitions. This strengthens your quads, glutes, and helps with everyday activities like getting up from a chair or toilet. Next, try standing leg raises. Stand behind a chair, holding onto the back for support. Gently lift one leg straight out to the side, keeping your posture tall and your leg straight. Lower it back down with control. Do 10 repetitions on each side. This works the muscles around your hips and helps improve lateral balance, important for fall prevention. Now let's move to heel raises. Still standing behind the chair, slowly rise onto your tiptoes, lifting your heels off the floor. Hold for a second, then lower back down. Do 10 to 15 reps. This exercise strengthens the calves, which are crucial for walking and climbing stairs. You can also do seated leg extensions. Sit tall in a chair with your feet flat. Slowly extend one leg out in front of you until it's straight and hold for a couple of seconds. Then lower it back down. Repeat on the other leg. Aim for 10 reps per side. This strengthens the thigh muscles without putting stress on the knees. Let's not forget glute squeezes. While sitting or lying down, simply squeeze your buttocks together and hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then release. Do 10 to 15 reps. This helps keep the muscles in your hips and backside engaged and strong, which is key for stability and preventing falls. And finally, practice balance holds. Stand near a wall or chair for safety. Slowly lift one foot a few inches off the ground and try to hold that position for 10 seconds. Then switch legs. This simple movement trains your body to stabilize itself, which helps prevent falls in everyday life. All of these exercises can be done 3 to 5 times per week. And you don't have to do them all at once, spread them out through the day if that's easier for you. The most important thing is to be consistent. Little by little, your strength will build back up. Now, let's connect this movement to the right kind of nutrition. When you're working your muscles, even gently, they need the right fuel to recover and grow stronger. For breakfast, instead of toast and jam, try an egg with sautéed spinach, or a bowl of Greek yogurt with walnuts and berries. These foods are rich in protein, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory nutrients. At lunch, include lean proteins like grilled chicken, beans, or cottage cheese. Pair them with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa and colorful veggies. These support muscle repair and provide lasting energy. For dinner, go with baked salmon or lentil stew, and add a side of steamed broccoli or sweet potato. These meals give your body the amino acids, calcium, and antioxidants it needs for healthy aging. And don't forget to hydrate. Muscles need water to function properly. Dehydration can cause cramps and slow down your recovery. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing something consistently. Every step, every stretch, every healthy meal brings you closer to stronger legs, better balance, and more confidence in your body. You're not just exercising, you're investing in your independence. Because strong legs don't just help you move, they help you live.